Are you looking to get your contractor's license in Florida and take the next step in your construction career? In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to become a licensed contractor in Florida, including the requirements, exams, experience, and financial qualifications you need to know. Whether you're starting your own contracting business or expanding your current operation, becoming licensed in Florida allows you to take on larger projects, operate legally, and build credibility with clients and suppliers. We'll cover the entire Florida contractor licensing process, including eligibility requirements, application process, and exam options such as the nationally recognized NASCLO exam, so you can move forward with confidence. To qualify for a contractor's license in Florida, you must be at least 18 years old and legally eligible to work in the United States. Florida also requires 4 years of construction-related experience, which we'll explain in more detail shortly. Florida requires applicants to pass 2 exams in order to obtain a contractor's license. The first is the Business and Finance exam, which covers financial management, contracts, and construction laws. The second is the trade exam. This can be the Florida General, Building, or Residential exam, or the NASCLA Commercial General Contractor exam. The Florida Business and Finance exam consists of 120 questions and has a 6.5-hour time limit. Because of the depth of material covered in both the NASCLA and Business and Finance exam, prep courses are strongly recommended. For the trade exam, we recommend the NASCLA Commercial General Contractor exam. The NASCLA exam is accepted in more than 15 states and the U.S. Virgin Islands, making it ideal for contractors who plan to expand. The exam consists of 115 open book, multiple choice questions, and must be completed within 5.5 hours. A passing score of 70% is required. The exam is administered at PSI testing centers. Due to its difficulty, many candidates use a prep course. We offer a complete NASCLA prep course with tutorials, quizzes, practice exams, and proven study strategies to help you pass on your first attempt. To qualify for a Florida General Contractor license, applicants must document 4 years of experience in the construction industry. Florida accepts several specific experience paths, including 4 years of construction experience, with at least 1 year as a foreman or supervisor. 3 years of college-level construction education, plus 1 year of construction experience. A construction-related bachelor's degree, which may count for up to 3 years of experience, plus 1 year of practical work. A mix of foreman experience and college coursework, as long as the total equals 4 years. All experience must be directly related to the type of contractor license you are applying for, such as general contractor, building contractor, or residential contractor. Florida also recognizes military service toward contractor licensing experience requirements. Depending on your years of service, military experience may satisfy part or all of the required work experience. Contractors in Florida must carry general liability insurance. Coverage requirements vary by license type. Workers' compensation insurance is also required if you have employees. Applicants must also meet financial responsibility requirements set by the licensing board, including a minimum credit score. If the credit score requirement is not met, a surety bond or an irrevocable letter of credit may be submitted instead. These requirements demonstrate your ability to operate a contracting business responsibly. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped clarify the steps to obtaining a contractor's license in Florida. Visit our website for additional resources, exam preparation, and personalized support. Our team is happy to help you every step of the way.